One thing you need to know about what is going on in Saudi Arabia is the pace of change is fast and unprecedented.
The Saudis still have not found a way out of the Yemen conflict. It's been over 3 years. There's a lot of international condemnation. There's a lot of frustration. And they don't seem to be prioritizing finding an end to that conflict. In fact, by ramping up bombing, ramping up their military incursion, they're actually making it much less likely that there's any kind of Yemeni state to build up and any kind of peace process that can be done. All of this modernization is being done without any kind of long-term liberalization. So, for instance, the clerics that he's rounded up and detained, those are actually not the most hardline clerics. The clerics who he's arrested are the clerics who call for greater civil liberties, greater public participation in how the country is run. And that tells us a lot about the way he's looking at progress.
Saudis and Audis, Saudis and Audis.